Munnar is very much popular for its dams and lakes. Thus, if you are there at Munnar, you must visit these places. When the beautiful sun rays fall on the Kundala lake, it creates a glittering effect to give tourists a heaven-like experience and help them enjoy the beauty of Kundala in absolute serenity. The picturesque Kundala lake is surrounded by green valleys and majestic landscapes which almost every photographer would like to capture in their lenses. To get the most amazing pictures, one must reach to this spot early in the morning and see how a blanket of cloud surfaces the lake when the first few rays of sun makes the atmosphere magical. You can try different types of boating facilities here like pedal boating, Kashmiri Shikara, row boating, speed boating and many more. Kundala is located approximately 20 kilometers away from Munnar town on the way to top station, and it is at a height of 1700 meters above the sea level. People love to see the cherry gardens here that blooms twice in a year and make the surroundings of the lake even more attractive. However, the famous Nilakurinji flowers, which bloom once in 12 years and change the green valley of Kundala into a refreshing blue beauties, are hard to see because they are rarely available. Horseback ride and balloon shooting games are other popular activities here which you can be engaged for a while. You can find few food stalls and restaurants nearby the lake where you can get fast food like dosa, noodles, sandwich, omelette and soft drinks. The connectivity of this majestic hill town with other nearby villages and towns is pretty good, and you can easily reach here through a taxi or by a bus. The Kundala lake gives way to an artificial dam called Kundala Dam, which is another famous attraction of this region. It was constructed for Pallivasal hydroelectric project in 1946. This is considered to be Asia's first arc dam, also known as Setu Parvatipuram Dam. You can see many things in the surrounding of this dam like green valleys, tea gardens, waterfalls, eucalyptus, pine trees and many more. However, the boating is the most attractive part of this glorious lake. Nestled inside the hills of Munnar and very near to Anamudi peak lies Mathupetti, the hill station which is at height of 1700 meters above sea level. Mathupetti is located 13 kilometers away from Munnar town. Here you can enjoy the greenish valleys and feel the fabulous climate around. The main attraction of the Mathupetti is the dam and the lake here. The dam of Mathupetti is a storage concrete gravity dam. The dam was constructed under the Pallivasal hydroelectric project in the late 1940s for the purpose of water conservation and power generation. Now the dam is a vital source of electricity generation of Munnar. This is also a haven for many wild animals and birds due to its constant water availability. The best time to visit Mathupetti is from the month of August to May, which means you can go there at any point of time in the year except the month of June and July, because those are the rainy seasons. The most attractive part of Mathupetti Dam is its still water, which reflects the tea garden around. You can engage yourself with water sport activities like speedboating, which is organized by District Tourist Promotion Council of Idukki, and enjoy the pretty natural surroundings of this beautiful dam. If you are an adventure lover, you can have options here like trekking in the Shola forest. We all love places and experiences where we can reconnect with the child inside us. The childlike enthusiasm with which you can yield to your heart content at this wonderful location is a truly endearing sight. About 15 kilometers from Munnar lies the famous Eco Point. This is popular for its natural eco phenomena. You can always see the area full of eager visitors throughout the year. This place is at an altitude of about 600 feet. People love taking a walk in the lush greenery surrounded the place. It is an ideal picnic spot. This is also a prime viewpoint for Nila Kurinji flowers, which blooms once in 12 years. People usually come across Eco Point while making the trip to Top Station, the highest point in Munnar on the Munnar-Kodaikanal road, and it is very easily accessible from Munnar town. Here the clouds seems like they are just an arm's length away, and you can get a brilliant view of the valley below. Sengulam Dam is the latest dam site area and is part of Sengulam hydroelectric project under Government of Kerala. This is surrounded by Lechmi Hills on the north, Chokramudi Peak on the east, and the valley of Velathuval and Adimali Panchayat and Pettumudi Peak on the southwest. You can get a spectacular 360-degree view from the lakeside. In this site, you can get a chance to indulge in boating around the lake in pedal boats, speed boats, pontoon boats and large boats. The speedboat ride is one of the best attractions and activities here. There is a games corner, fish spa and small park by the side of the dam where you can spend some time with family and friends. During summer months, occasionally fishing is also allowed. You can also go for cycling on the less crowded roads to the nearby villages. And that is all from today's video. See you then in my next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.